All right, everybody, Kris Gethin here. I just arrived in India and I am going to be doing a DNA test with a company called MapMyGenome. Now, I've never used this company before. However, I have done several swab tests, so I know how to do the swab test. So we have a box here. There we go. We opened it. So we have the consent forms and health history to fill out there. And then let me open this, and here is the swab kit. So, of course, you fill out your details there, which I'll do in a second. Now, with any swab test, when you're doing a saliva swab, you basically go along the inside of your cheeks and your gums without touching your teeth. And make sure that you haven't eaten or drunk anything for at least 30 minutes. Now, do I just mix that at all or just go straight in?
Just
straight in, okay.
seconds each.
And then 15 seconds the other side.
That repeats.
All right, so I've just finished all the forms in here now to send them off. So you may be asking, like, why am I doing this test? Because I always want to know myself better. You know, this is why I get my blood work done. I want to, you know, this is why I have my organic acids test done, my Dutch test, prolactin, everything. But of course, I want to know myself better from a DNA standpoint, like what foods are going to be specific to me. So there's a couple of different tests that I've done here, which will tell me a little bit more about the potential conditions that I could possibly be suffering from. And then I've done the MediMap test as well, which could tell me from a clinician standpoint, like what medication that I could possibly have that would benefit me based on these conditions that this will tell me. So it's going to tell me a lot more. Like, DNA testing has come a long way over the past 10 years. Now that you can have it even in the comfort of your own home. So once I get these results, I'll let you know exactly what it tells me as well, so it can help you as well better understand yourself and find out what you can do to better optimize your health span.